Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickled onions in Palia. Pickled onions are a fantastic food item that can provide 90 focus when consumed, making them very useful for your daily activities. To get started, you will first need to craft a special item called a preserves jar. This guide will walk you through each simple step to create your own delicious pickled onions. Before you can pickle any onions, you need a preserves jar. To unlock its recipe, you must reach gardening level 8. Once you achieve this, head to the Gardening Guild store to purchase the recipe. Crafting the jar requires 16 heartwood planks, 2 iron bars, and 6 pieces of fabric. Gather these materials, then craft and place your new preserves jar on your housing plot. With your preserves jar ready, making pickled onions is incredibly straightforward. Simply place 1 onion into the jar. The crafting process will then begin automatically. It takes 36 real-world minutes for the pickling to complete. After this time, your delicious pickled onions will be ready for you to collect from the preserves jar. Now that you have your pickled onions, what can you do with them? Each pickled onion restores 90 focus, which is very helpful for maintaining your energy throughout the day. They are also a favorite gift for many villagers, including Ashura, Palai, and Reth. Crafting pickled onions is a simple and rewarding way to utilize your harvested onions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.